My name is Hersh. I am from IIM Kashipur 25-27 batch. I have completed my engineering in 2024 and my CAT percentile for LRDI section in 2024 was 98.58. I solved sets for last 10 years CAT papers, and while doing that I was able to solve about 120 to 150 sets, and after doing that what I figured out was that which particular sets are my strength and which are my weaknesses. Like for example, in particular for me, the sets which involved quants, the quants based sets are my strength. So I used to focus upon them a bit more. And if I have to talk about my weaknesses, it was the sets which involved maximization and minimization. So those were my weaknesses. So I knew that in exam, which type of sets I have to focus upon and which are the sets I have to leave. So what you can do in the last minute in the exam is that the right set selection. Don't go for the set that you are not very familiar with. If you think that you are not good in a reasoning based set, don't go on that set. Also, don't have a mind clock for your own self. Like for example, if after 10 minutes you are not able to solve any question, then it's better to move on towards the next set. Because if you stick to that particular set, you will end up losing more than you will gain. So you should know when to leave a particular set. If you want LRDI to be a scoring section for you, try to solve at least 2.5 to 3 sets in that section. And if you want it to just clear your cutoff in an LRDI paper, then solve about 1 to 1.5 set with full accuracy. Because if you try to solve 1 to 1.5 set in 40 minutes, then you might be able to do it. In the end, the crux is the right set selection, so practice a lot, and that's all I have to say.